Hi guys, it's me Nil from yourwebsitelearning.com. In this video, we will see how to create and add a contact form in WordPress for free. It's always good to have a contact form on the website so that visitors can contact you. How can you do that? You can do that by adding a contact form on the website. We are going to create a contact form like this where anyone visiting the website can fill up the form, and when they click submit, you will get an email with the message that they have sent. By this, your visitors can reach out to you easily. Let's create our contact form. We will create the form in 4 steps. So, the first step is to install the contact form plugin on WordPress. To install the plugin, go to Dashboard, click on Plugins and select Add New. Now search for a plugin called WPForms. Click Install and Activate. Plugin has been installed. Now a new button will be added on our WordPress called as WPForms. In the next step, we will create a form. To create the form, go on WPForms, click on Add New and create a new form. First, type the name of the form. So, let's say it as YWL contact form. Select the blank form template. Click on Create a blank form. Now click on the boxes which you want to be in your contact form. We can change the heading of the paragraph text by clicking on paragraph text. Now just type the name that you want. Also, to edit, delete or reorder any of the field, click here. Here, you can change the format, how you want name option to come. Also, if you want to give description of the field, you can give a write-up here. If you want this field to be mandatory or required, click on the checkbox. If you want to change the field size, go on Advanced option and go on Field Size. Select the size which you want. Also, if you want to hide the sublabels like first and last, click on Hide Sublabels. Also, if you want to reorder the fields, simply drag the field and place it where you want. Now, go to Settings box. In the General setting, you can change the Submit button text if you want to. Now, go to Notifications tab. The responses we will receive will by default come to our admin email address, which is the email with which we have signed up for WordPress. If you want to change this, just enter the email ID on which you want to receive the emails. Now go to Confirmation. Here we can change the confirmation message, or if you want, you can direct them to a different page or URL. Below, here is a checkbox whether to scroll to confirmation message. If you check on this, once someone has submitted the message, they will instantly see the confirmation message like this. Now, click on Save and click on Close. You can see we have got our contact forms here. Now, we will go to our next step, which is adding the form to our website. Go on Pages and click on Add New. We are going to create a new page where we can add our contact form. I am naming it as Contact Us. To add the contact form, click on the plus button. Now go on Widgets tab. We will find WPForms. Click on it. Now select the form. We can also add some heading text if we want to. Click on the plus button and click on heading. I will write reach out to us in the heading and drag it onto the top. Now click on publish and click on publish again. Let's view this page. Now we have our contact us form. This is how you can easily add any form on WordPress. I will also show you how to add the form to Elementor page builder. So let's do this. Go to the page where you want to add the form. Like I want to add the form to my home page, so go on home and click on edit with Elementor. Go to the portion where you want to add the form. In case you want to add the form here, go there and click on the plus sign which is in the add section. Now go on search tab and type forms. Drag and drop WPForm. Now select the form and click on apply. The form will be inserted. If you want to display the form name, check on the display form name. If you want to change the size of the form, click on the 6 dots and change the content width by dragging the slider. You will see that the form size is getting changed. Now, if you want to add some space above and below the form, if they are looking too tight, click on Advanced, go on to Padding, click on Unlink and add 9 in the top and 9 in the bottom or whatever value which work for you. Also, click on the mobile button to see how it looks on the mobile. It looks fine. It is important to look how responsive the website is on the mobile. The majority of Google searches now come from mobile devices, and the search engine is adjusting to put responsive pages first. So now we will go on our next step. We will test this form and send a test email. We will enter our details and click submit. Once the form is submitted, you will get the email with the message. So check the email. The email should show up in the inbox, but sometime it doesn't. Why? The email is in your spam folder. Go on the spam folder, click on spam and you will see the email. Click on not spam on the top. Now it says conversation has been unmarked from spam and moved to inbox. So go to inbox and you will see that email is in the inbox, and any email which will come through this form will directly land in your inbox. Now go on the message. If you want to reply to the message, click on email ID and respond. So, you saw how easy it is to create any form on WordPress. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.